In this video, we'll create the next two activities for our application. One for a list of staff and one for a star log. The last time we created an activity, we did this through the ADT plugin. And that created a Java class as well as a layout XML. That's what we got to do for those two activities as well. Let's start with the layout. All three pages have the same layout, and the content of those pages will be added later. So I'll make it simple. With main XML open, I select File, Save As. We call it stuff.xml. Okay. Now again, File, Save As, and star log. Now select this heading, right-click on it, select Edit Text, and select New String. We call this txt_staff title. And the string will be stuff. Okay. Again, okay. Now again, right-click on it, select Edit ID, and edit the ID as well. Text_staff_title. As you've seen, I've selected the same txt_staff_title for the ID as well as for the text resource. That's a good practice and will help you keep an overview of your string assets. The same here. Select this text. Here I'll only edit the ID. Click on Edit ID and set it to txt staff content. Okay. Oh, rats, I've done it in the wrong file, so let's save it again as the staff file. And now change star log again. Click on it, right-click, Edit ID, star log title, right-click here, Edit ID, star log content, and for the title, a different text, edit text, new string, txt_starlog_title, and the text will be star log. Okay, and once again, okay to select it. Okay, everything is all right. Control S for saving or Command S on Mac. Now to the Java classes. Those belong in the package of our application right here, where main.java already is. So right-click on the package name, select New, Class. The name of the class will be Stuff. And this will inherit from activity. You can just write a few letters, hit Control Space as well, and select activity, the package Android app, finish. And the same again for the class starlog. Again, this inherits from the class activity, like that. You've already noticed the different naming conventions. This is the naming convention of Java and other programming languages, where classes are written camel case, which means without underscores, but also with the capital first letter. The layout assets are by convention written all lowercase with underscores. Now, all we got to do right now is bind the layout to this Java class. That would be right-clicking somewhere, selecting source, and selecting override implement methods again. But there even is a quicker way. Hit Control 3 on PC or Command 3 on Mac, type over, and select override implement methods from the suggestions. Go down to On Create, select the checkbox, click OK. I delete this line. And after super on Create, I write Set Content View. And now we look for the ID of this content view, r.layout.starlog. The same for staff, Control 3 or Command 3 on Mac. Previous choices is activated, just select it. That's quick, isn't it? Go down to On Create. Okay, and there we are. Delete the line and enter Set Content View. And this Set Content View binds the layout definition to this Java class. We sort of have bundled those two together. As a matter of fact, we still have to copy that in a typeface function over to these activities for a custom font, but I'll leave that as an exercise for you. One thing we will do right now is that we have to register these activities in the Android manifest. I'll double-click on it, go to Application, scroll down a bit. There are the application nodes. That's where the activities get registered. Click on Add, select Activity by double-clicking on it, go to Browse, and select Staff. Okay. And again, Add, create new element, double-click on Activity, Browse, and select Starlog. Okay. Control Save or Command Save on Mac saves. And what happens is that in the Android manifest XML, two other nodes, two activity nodes to be precise, are added. And now I've created two activities and registered them in the Android manifest.